Engineering design services. This is again one of the domain which we will be covering in my today's presentation with my colleague Mangesh also. In ADCC, this is our design policy. We manage customers' expectations with unique design approach, first time and every time. This is our this thing. We do CAD services, CAM services, CAE services. In CAD services, we do concept design, 3D modeling, reverse engineering. In CAM, we do NCCNC tool path generations, tool path optimizations, rapid prototyping, tool design. In CAE services, we do meshing, finite element analysis, field count, simulation, mold flow analysis, to name a few. Domain-wise engineering design solution, we are into automotive, industrial machineries and equipment, sheet metal molding and forging, process and power plants, oil and gas, mining industry. So these are the main domains where we are providing engineering design services to our customers. These are the segments where we are in 3D CAD design, legacy data conversion. If you have any old drawings, any 2D data, any data which you want to convert from paper to soft copy, we will do that. And new product designs, software customization, we do reverse engineering, we do 3D laser scanning, which is the latest technology, product documentation and instruction manuals, we do manpower supply. If you require any design engineers, we provide the services. If you see this client list, these are the clientele where we have done engineering design services per se in our customer base, where we have done in NPCIL, to name a few, NTPC, Coal India, to Indian Railways, Ordnance Factories, to name a few. Why ADCC InfoCAD? Brand ADCC with years of professional experience. It is the only organization in Central India providing turnkey solutions in GIS and engineering domains. We have a readily available talent pool with having training centers in Mumbai and Nagpur. We have executed projects in more than 10 states for different government organizations like ISRO, regional remote sensing centers. We have good financial and investment capability. We are expertise in the field of GIS and engineering services, and we have experts for various domains available with us. When it comes to the data availability or data confidentiality, client have their own questions arising about the data. So we have, whenever we get any project or whenever we do any project, we do a confidentiality project consent with the client. We sign a non-disclosure agreement with the client to maintain the confidentiality of the project. We sign confidentiality agreement with the employees working on the client project. Even if we share any of the client's data to any third party, we will take client's necessary approval and sign non-disclosure agreement with the third party. All the data or creative ideas generated during the project execution are property of the client. If client can do design registration of the ideas or can take patent, and ADCC will be party to the design registration patent. So these are the few things which we cover while we do any project to any of the client when it comes to data security. Now, going towards for the further solutions on engineering design services, these are the few segments what we cover. My colleague Mangesh Deshmukh will take you ahead further from here, who will join us, and now he will take you ahead with what all solutions we provide in engineering design services. Mangesh,
yeah,
you take ahead, Mangesh. Thank you, Mangesh.
Yeah, Robin, thanks a lot. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mangesh Deshmukh with ADCC InfoCAD Limited, working as a Senior Technical Solution Manager for the Engineering Services Department. So today we are going to tell a lot of projects we have done and to share some success stories with you. For these engineering services design solutions, we will see the mechanical design automation, mechanical plant design services, CAD automation and management projects, 3D reverse engineering, FEA and CFD services, and consulting services for implementation of PLM and PDM.
Mangesh, you have the controls.
Yeah. So looking at this, for this domain, we deal with the piping industries. We do the concept modeling, digital prototyping concept, where we start the concept from the paper, from scratch, from AutoCAD, and then we take to create that product development before it's actually build. We do the designing on and assembly of the molding. We do the complex meshing and analysis of the components. For manufacturing, we support complete support for the entire manufacturing cycle. We also do some complex simulations, just like dynamic simulation, where we can actually go and see the dynamic behavior of the mechanism. So for this mechanical design services, we do the 2D and 3D conversions and 3D modeling of the components. We deal with we offer the full range of CAD conversion from paper to CAD, PDF to CAD with the accuracy of 19.9%. Backed by our quality managers. Our quality managers always check the quality of the conversions and the detailing part. We have the CAD specialists having experience in the range of 2 to 5 years, updated with the newest technology. For the parts molding and assemblies, the benefit with the ADCC is that if you have ADCC, you can save time up to 60%, ensuring the privacy and the confidentiality as Romit has already updated you. So this is our client where for Rucha Engineers we had developed a complex sheet metal part. We created a flat pattern of that, and then we provide the necessary drawing. So you can see the statistics for this particular project was yearly load of 2,400 man hours. So for this we use Autodesk Inventor software, Pro V and AutoCAD. ADCC for Greaves Cotton Limited, Aurangabad. ADCC is a technology partner for the Indian design, right from concept design to the molding of the components, assembly, and then later on we have done a lot of simulations and analysis part, and finally the process assembly drawings and detailing. So it is a very prime customer to us, and a yearly load of 12,000 man hours. For this we use the Pro V Wildfire software with their windshield PLM solution and AutoCAD. Again for this industrial machinery and equipment, we design modeling of the PSC fluid coupling is very critical part, and with the desired tolerance with the man hours of 600 to 800 man hours per coupling. There are a lot of couplings we are designed, and the CAD platform we use as a Pro V and AutoCAD. For the AC Refractories Limited, again we have done the reverse engineering of the skip hoist flap gate mechanism. Again for AC Refractories Limited, we have done the reverse engineering of the gauge gear profile. The gear profile is very complicated, so we achieved that particular profile. Then for BP Ergo Nagpur VIP Industries, we had done the product design and development for the S unit type model. We have done the reverse engineering for our plant called Balco in Chhattisgarh for the entire reverse engineering of the camshaft, right from we take to CMM machine, and then we had collected the inputs of the dimensions, and we created model with desired tolerance. Again for this Balco, we also designed the connecting rod and this lower fan impeller. So for Balco actually, we achieved the project efficiency by optimizing optimum utilization chart actually. We always try to assign the right job to right person by time to time interaction and approach at every stage of the project. So you can see that efficiency we got is at 109%, and for the CAD conversion of the metal shop, that is 123%. For this gate wall designing with the NSSL India, we have done the entire modeling of the parts and assemblies, and later on we perform this seismic analysis also in the simulation. Again for this particular inside the component of gate wall, we have designed the jigs and fixtures in the Pro V. For the ACC Neon Casting Limited India, we have done the 3D modeling of this complex part for the cargo truck emission line. It was a benzo casting. With Mahindra Limited, we have done the meshing of this quadrilateral shell meshing for the plastic component. We use CATIA to actually build that plastic component, and later it was taken to Hypermesh for the quadrilateral shell machining. With Akar Udyog Limited India, we actually has done right from everything. I mean, from concept to from engineering calculations, just like calculating the cutting force, press force for the entire complete press tool, for blanking, bending, and forming. For Ispat Industries Limited, we have done the design of this a huge model of scrap bucket in Proi, which is used in the process plant. For Bilibod Industries, Aurangabad, we have done we have designed the front panel for the washing machine in Katia. It's very complex shape. We achieved the A-class surface. With Highway India, Mumbai, again we have done the modeling of this tipper truck. The challenge was to reduce the sheet size from 3 mm to 2.5 millimeter and with the composite material. So we have done with inventor and assess. For Nippon Jaiswal, we have done the fixture design for the centrifugal casting, same as rotor casting. So in plant design services, we actually do for the power plant instrumentation, piping design, refineries, steel structures, and process plant. So in piping design services, we offer in variety in the piping design services, piping detailing drawings, pipe stress analysis, material takeoff, process engineering for the heat mass transfer calculation, pipe sizing calculation, flow diagram representative, pressure drop calculations. We create a site master plan and equipment layout, generating the isometrics from this model, and we also calculate the insulation and painting specification. So this was for the piping. This is one of the customer success story with NPCL IL. This we are using AutoCAD, and you can see that yearly load statistics of 42,240 man hours for preparation of the flow sheets and GA drawings and isometric drawings, piping and support drawings. Again, for Gujarat Gas Limited, we have done the project competition to prepare the drawing for facilities, plot layout, process and instrumentation drawings, PNID. We done this in AutoCAD. For Richardson and Kudas India, we have done designed the struts and structures for the towers. Then for Rockers Steel Plant, we do the CAD conversion for the sale. You can see that it was the drawings were very in a bad condition, and we performed that conversion successfully. The drawings were more than 4 lakh drawings. With Electrosum India, Ahmedabad, we have done the huge structural modeling in the autonomous inventor for the structures. So it was almost 18,000 plus components. Yeah. So for CAD automation, we have the inbuilt facility to do the CAD automation or management on your CAD applications. We develop the customized automation to your CAD applications, integrating your knowledge-based engineering cycle within your CAD applications. We collect the input and we create the logic of and building a model, assemblies and bill of material and generating the drawings automatically. So which actually benefits you in reducing the design lead time, maximize your efficiency, increase in design repeatability and reusability. So for this CAD automation, we have done one project. The challenge was here that the customer want to build the application where he has just have 10 minutes and you have to generate the code within 10 minutes. So they don't have time, and the sales representative go to the site and he maps the dimensions of that particular layout. He puts the values of the layout. He selects the floor material and he selects the components. First he places the corner component, and on the right hand side, left hand side, as per the desired size. The moment he click on this, it gets attached automatically.
Most of the seminars में मेरे को 5 मिनट
for the base component. At the same time, you can see that left hand side the total the cost is the moment you place the component, the cost is reflecting here.
7 बजे बोल के 8 बजे शुरू कर तो 1 घंटा वहाँ खा जाता है.
Again, you can go and change the dimension of that
8
component.
बजे से फिर 9:30 10
Just
को चाहिए.
you predefined this component inbuilt in the customized library. The moment you replace or you remove, the cost is reflected in the total value. It's going to change the size. Even if you change the floor material configuration, it reflects in the pricing. So after this entire assembly, on a single click, you can generate a bill of material directly, which can be connected to the ERP. So just clicking on the generate code, and you can see that the code is generated automatically with all components and pricing. And that too, you can create the automated engineering drawing, just placing the entire assembly. You can check the elevations of the particular entire assembly. The moment to do any changes automatically, that will reflect in the 2D drawing. So for this we have used Autodesk platform with the inventory ETL. The concept is from engineering to order. Apart from that, the demand was beyond this. They want actually they want that their customers should also have a facility to go on the website and configure their whatever size they want. So with the Autodesk Configure 360, we have achieved this task. You can see that
to choose from and use the parameter automatically changes to a colon instead of an edit box.
To the web portal.
Back in the Configurator 360 online interface, you will see the three user parameters are shown in the form
select the
with the
size,
model that
appropriate
is
size, what
uploaded.
you want.
In the next,
Just reducing the size
You can begin by uploading your new model in the design
design
tab.
aspect.
Simply by clicking on the New Designs button, you can upload file or assembly documents.
Just use the name
Browse
and
for the file
particular
and upload it to your catalog. Once the file is uploaded,
before
it
that
can be viewed by authorized users.
this entire
The
assembly
parameters that you see on the
and
left
customer can
are
go
the
and change
configurable
the
values and features that you choose in Inventor. They can be edited in a number of different ways, such as edit boxes,
number of rack palettes from blue to red. So this actually the customer at any remote location can directly go on the website of the particular client who is having their own product and build the code directly online. So this was with a web interface of Configure 360. Then in reverse engineering, we have the inbuilt facility to scan the data, the huge factories and huge structures where there is a laser scan which actually scans the entire data in the 360 degree, and that creates a point cloud data, and that can be bring into a CAD application and do the modeling. That's like you can see here. Now with the scan data, the plot count you can is capture all point cloud data, and you can bring that into a CAD application, which we are bringing into Inventor. We can create own factory assets. We can use the inbuilt factory assets, and we can visualize everything. That what are the status of your factory, where it is interfering, where you can have space for the further expansions and further planning. So it actually updates on your existing layout and creates footprints on the existing layout with displacing the new assemblies and components. Yeah. So you just moving that on machines and automatically you can see that the footprints will be updated on the 2D level. You can place the assets on 2D, you can directly place on the 3D. Now it's going to place some assets just like a rack, a stack rack, a pallet rack is going to be placed, and on single click it gets attached to the existing racks. You can go and change your the size of that particular product directly.
Skype पे online है।
अबे एरिक खंबाड़ा Skype पे online है।
Skype पे connect नहीं, ये अपने PC पे Skype पे connect।
So you can visualize the entire your structure and factory directly on 3D.
अगर सर भी होता है तो दिखता है।
So this was our reverse engineering. Then for the FEA and CFD services, we offer the services for static and dynamic structure analysis, for linear and non-linear analysis models, fatigue analysis, the life of the product, thermal analysis, vibration analysis, CFD, that is called compression fluid analysis. So benefits by doing the FEA is that allows the manufacturer to visualize product behavior. We can predict the failures, possibilities, and implement the key design changes in your entire life cycle. We provide simulation-driven product design solutions to drive down development costs and reduce time to market. So we have done this few projects, just like we have expertise in handling, making analysis, simulation of this material handling system analysis. But the use structure has been lifted by the crane and we have use structure lifted by the crane, keeping safety factor. The analysis was done on the 50-meter huge diameter structure. We just take 1/4 of that part to create the simulation with the desired factor of safety. Then again, key projects for bolt pre-tension calculation for lifting use. You can see that pre-tension loads can be quickly predicted, specifying the known axial loads, predicting compressive, just like if you are using any flanges and gaskets. The gasket is very important factor, and taking gasket in confidence and doing the bolting calculation is very challenging. So we have done this kind of bolt pre-tension calculation. So we have done the analysis for the shipping frame analysis, where you can see that this matrix structure is very complex, and the objective was to validate the shipping frame structure using for transportation. So challenges that was that the weight constraint was for max 6 tons only, and to validate the various offshore shipping loads. So methodology we use as longitudinal and lateral loadings were analyzed, considering the gravity effect to optimize the design with respect to the weight. Right. Then one more project we have done for this tightening torque for threaded connections. It was very critical part for the for delicate parts and machines. So the objective was to estimate the optimum tightening torque to ensure the efficient threaded connections. It was a non-linear analysis in terms of load and material to prediction of the accurate tightening to avoid the joint failures. If you over tight, obviously it's going to slip and will damage the entire threading component. So methodology we use based on the literature study, linear study, FE analysis, and theoretical calculations. A 2D axisymmetric methodology was used. The active geometry and response on the stress distribution captured over the entire torque range results. So you can see the result we plotted with the torque and non-linear stress was given. Yeah. So you can see that. So this was simulated and see the critical right. So for this actually the APDL programming was written for the torque estimation in ANSYS. So one of the key factors for we have the inbuilt capability for mode flow design and mode flow analysis. ADC offers service in mode flow design simulation in injection molded components for the best gate location, runner balancing optimization. We can predict the shrinkage. We can predict the fill time. How much time is going to fill that particular mold. We can calculate the pressure drop, warpage analysis. We can predict the weld lines where it's going to come before actually it's built. We can do the analysis for mold cooling analysis. So
patterns
you can
and
see
other
that
types of manufacturing.
this component we built in the UGNX, and Then it was taken to Autodesk Workflow Advisor and Insight,
आपने कुछ सुनाई दे रहा है?
where
Sure about it.
the target was to build the best possible runners and
मंगेश को सिर्फ
the best
keyboard
possible
access
gate
दी
location.
है।
Then
ये सब यही हो रहा है।
even
सुनी नहीं है?
if you design runners, then the balancing of the runners is very important, because if you go for single component or a multiple components in single group then the shrinkage and predictions were captured. You can see that there is a weight line coming, which is actually spoiling the entire statistics of the complete component. So we can predict all these things in the mold flow analysis. So the benefit is that the confidence of the field, optimum gate position for the minimum measuring size. You can position the weight line where you want them by doing this particular analysis, and eliminating the gas traps, which generally offers. We can also predict that, and for the minimum clamping force. So our consulting services do the implementation for PLM and PDM. PLM is product life management, everybody knows. PDM is product data management. We provide the product life cycle management, consulting, implementation and support solution to extended enterprises spread across the globe, empowering the manufacturer to bring new and efficient products to the market for early returns. So consulting, we have the engineering, we help the engineering organizations to identify, optimize product development and manufacturing process for better returns, and subsequently assist in integrating this process to PLM and PDM. So for implementation, our team provides support to manufacturers in implementing PLM and PDM solutions for their specific manufacturing and business needs to effectively gain benefits of the PLM technology. Integration, we can also assist in integrating key development tools such as CAD, ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning, and CRM, that is Customer Resource Mapping, with PLM to improve the communication across the organization and operational efficiency. So this, just like we did with Siemens and Autodesk, with Siemens we have the team center.
अरे ये क्या कर दिया?
For Siemens we are team center.
पीछे पीछे।
चला वीडियो?
And for Autodesk we are Vault Profession.
You have
कंट्रोल छोड़ दे ले वीडियो चल
Yeah. Right. So working between a PLM business system process can quickly yield excellent profits in time saved and communication with collaborative environments. The comprehensive multi-CAD supports for consistent work practices regardless of the data format. Integration of the Microsoft Office, the updated user interface with new dynamic search tools, the theme time provision to access data from the for the non-CAD users. The PDM includes capability of vault such as file security, historical versions, revisions of the designs with maintaining the parent-child links between the entire assembly and components.
इसके बाद एक
The PDM essentially tracks and manages revisions, the engineering change orders,
हेलो दीपक।
and
बस
the
2 मिनट
instant
के बाद
copy
में
design
सभी
directly
को
from the
access
Vault
कर देना।
browser,
हाँ।
which is the biggest time
2 मिनट के
vector
बाद।
with any CAD company.
यानी सभी को अनम्यूट कर देना।
कर दे
You can,
या
you
तो
can
कर दे।
set the customized
कर दे,
lifecycle
अभी कर दे।
states and categories that can be assigned for the simplified workflows. You can monitor the entire streamlined change process on a single screen. You can define the users with assigning the privileges. For example, just like you want to give privilege, just like for edit, or just like editor, only viewer, and we can set the level of editing. We can create groups of users to control the privilege in a single flow, and engineers waste time on average 50% for time for searching and managing the data. So PLM and PDM helps you to save this time with the systematic execution and managing your data. So we can include more people in review and feedback, take the feedback cycle. and create the bill of material report. So we have expertise in Siemens PLM with Team Center and Autodesk Vault Professional.
ये चीज में बोला था.
We do the corporate trainings for on various CAD platform for manufacturing. Just like Autodesk, Siemens, Dassault, Autodesk Fusion 360, Dassault CATIA, ProE, Showcase, AutoCAD Mechanical, all this for this manufacturing. For PLM, PDS, we do training for Siemens Team Center, Autodesk Vault Professional. Actually, that is the training for the implementation. For the CA, we conduct training for ANSYS, Autodesk Nestran, Autodesk Simulation Mechanical, Autodesk Simulation CFD, Siemens NX Nestran, and we have the extended arm for trainings on architectural engineering constructions, such like Revit, AutoCAD Map, Civil 3D, AutoCAD Map, Raster Design, InfoWorks, Navisworks, and 3ds Max. So thanks a lot for your valuable time. Any question answers regarding this?
We have opened this session for question and answers now. If you have any questions, you can speak now, or you can type in the chat window. You can speak your questions if you have any, or you can type in the chat window if you have any questions.
Hello everyone, you all are unmute now, so if you have any questions, please ask.
So I believe we have tried to answer all your concerns or queries, or any wherein we have presented ADCC as an engineering design services solutions provider. Even if you have any questions or queries, you can write a mail directly to us. You can find our contact details in the next slide. You can either drop in a mail, or you can call us directly. You can call Anshul directly and he will align you to us. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody for giving your valuable time and attend this webinar. Thank you, Mangesh.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
उसको बोल बंद कर देगा अभी
Thank you everyone.
हाँ?
अपने आप ही वो बंद हो जाएगा.
हो गया, कॉल बंद कर वो, नहीं तो बिल बढ़ जाएगा. टाइम पे बंद कर देना, हमारा काम हो गया.
डाल देना बंद करने के लिए.
नहीं हो गया, सब हो गया, खत्म हो गया. नहीं बंद कर दो, वो हटा, डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा तो
सबको डिस्कनेक्ट कर, बंद कर दे. हाँ.